Hello kids, let's learn new shapes and symbols. Also know about the color names. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Let's start the video. Colors. This is cups. This is cups and with different colors. This is red color. What will be the next one? Yes, it's a green color. Green color. This is green color. What will be the next? Orange. It's orange color. It is orange color. Color of this cup is orange. Orange color. This is yellow. What will be the next? This is yellow. What will be the next? Blue. It's a blue color. This is blue color. Next one is, kids, can you guess? Next one is dark green color. Yes, dark green colors. We have so many colors. Dark green color, red color, orange color, light green color, yellow color and blue color. Now let's draw the shapes. Black color. This is black color. This is up arrow. This is symbol. Heart shape. Rhombus. This is cylinder. Parallelogram. This is star. Let us count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8-pointed star. Let us color the shapes and symbols. This is light green. This is up arrow. It is a symbol. Pink color. This is heart. Purple color. Rhombus. Red color. This is cylinder. It is 3D shape. Sky blue. Parallelogram. Fluorescent yellow. Eight-pointed star. This is up arrow. Heart, it is shape. Rhombus, also called diamond. Cylinder, 3D shape. Parallelogram. Eight-pointed star. Thanks for watching this video.